Dear students, in the last class we learnt about the electronic interpretation of electron withdrawing group. Okay. In today's class we learnt about hydrogenation of aromatic compound. Here we have to know about the first what is hydrogenation. Okay, here hydrogenation means addition of H2. Okay, addition of hydrogen molecule into the aromatic compounds. Addition of H2 is called it as a hydrogenation. If this H2 molecule is added to aromatic compounds, it might be not only H2, 2H2 or 3H2, whatever it may be, NH2. Okay, N is 1, 2, 3, etc. This will added to aromatic compounds. This is called it as a hydrogenation of aromatic compounds. In that, catalytic hydrogenation is there. Catalytic hydrogenation. Okay. Here we have to know about the catalytic hydrogenation. Here, reaction of benzene in the presence of molecular hydrogen, it means H2. In the presence of molecular hydrogen and finely divided platinum yields a cyclohexane. Okay, here catalytic hydrogenation means the reaction of benzene. Okay, the reaction of benzene means the benzene is reacted in the presence of molecular hydrogen. H2 should be added to the benzene. It means NH2. Either it is a 1 or it is a 2, whatever it may be. H2 is added to the benzene and finally divided platinum. Here platinum is the what? Catalyst. Okay. Hydrogenation antandre gottu. Do you know about that? Addition of hydrogen. Here catalytic hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen will be taking place with the use of catalyst. Okay, here platinum is the catalyst, then it gives a product of cyclohexane. And in that, why do we use a catalyst in the reaction? Because it fasts the rate of the reaction. It means complete the rate of the reaction or complete the reaction very fast compared to without catalyst. Okay, with catalyst is the reaction complete is fast, without catalyst is the reaction complete little bit slow. So that's why the catalyst is used. Here catalytic hydrogenation means reaction of benzene in the presence of molecular hydrogen. Hydrogen should be added with the catalyst platinum. It gives a cyclohexane. Here the reaction, you know that this is the benzene ring. You know that this is aromatic compound. Here you have to see this hydrogenation of aromatic compound. Here hydrogen molecule should be added to aromatic compound. Okay, plus 3H2 in the presence of platinum. Here delta means heating. Here delta means heating It gives hydrogen. One hydrogen. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 6 hydrogen atoms. 6 hydrogen atoms. Here one hydrogen atom should be added to one carbon atom. Okay, 6 carbon atom is there. Here also 6 hydrogen atom is there. So one hydrogen atom should be attached to one carbon atom. Okay, so 6 carbon atom have a 6 hydrogen atoms. So it gives a what? Cyclohexane. Okay, here it gets a cyclohexane in the removing of pi bonds, because this hydrogen atom should be bonded with bonded with carbon atom. So the electron should be shifted to the bonding with hydrogen atom. So pi bond is removed. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, CH ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಯಿತಾ. CH ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಪೈ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನು ಆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಯರ್ 1 and 2 is there. C1 as one hydrogen atom is bonded. So this electron should be goes with this hydrogen atom, and C2 have bond with another hydrogen atom. So this electron is bond with this hydrogen atom. So hagagi this pi bond is removed. So it gets a cyclohexane. Here also like that. Okay, how the cyclohexane is formed? Here 6 hydrogen atoms is bonded with 6 carbon atoms, and the pi bond is removed because the pi electron should be converted to the bond formation, okay, with hydrogen atoms. So this 6 hydrogen atom is bond with 6 carbon atoms. So it gets a cyclohexane. This is on benzene. And here another substituent group. It means substituent group is there. Okay, you have to observe CH3. This is toluene or methyl benzene also. Methyl benzene, okay, plus 3H2. Here also same like this, but here there will be benzene is only present. Here methyl group CH3 group is substituted at benzene ring. The platinum heated, okay, it gives same as it is cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. This group is methyl. Okay, so the naming is methyl cyclohexane. Okay, this is the main thing. What is catalytic hydrogenation and hydrogenation? Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen only, but catalytic hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen molecule or a molecular hydrogen, whatever it may be, in the presence of catalyst. Okay, here they are using platinum. This is all about the definition. Next is another reactions are there, and there will be very important naming reactions. Okay, naming reactions is very important. You have to know about that. First one is Birch reduction. Okay, Birch reduction. You know that first we have to know about that what is reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen or a removal of oxygen. You have to know about that. Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. Okay, either it is H2 or 2H, 3H, whatever it may be. If here hydrogen molecule or hydrogen atom is added or oxygen molecule is removed. Okay, This is the definition of reduction. Then here Birch reduction is, it is an organic reaction where aromatic ring undergoes 1,4 reduction. Okay, 1,4 reduction to provide unconjugated cyclohexenes. Unconjugated cyclohexenes. The reduction is conducted by sodium or lithium metal in the presence of an alcohol. This is called it as the Birch reduction. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ Birch reduction ಅಲ್ಲಿ this reduction is it is an organic reaction where aromatic rings undergo a 1,4 reduction. Okay, undergo 1,4 reduction. It means in the position of 1 and 4 the hydrogen atom is added. You have to know about that. 1,4 reduction means in the place of 1,4 the hydrogen atom is added to provide unconjugated cyclohexadiene. You know that diene means 2 pi bond is present. Okay, therefore the reduction is conducted by sodium or lithium metal in liquid ammonia. It means this metal should be placed in liquid ammonia and in the presence of alcohol. Okay, this is the main statement of Birch reduction. If in your exam they will ask, you have to write the explanation and then what reaction and also examples. Okay, here you have to observe this it is an organic reaction. We know that here where the reduction will be taking place. Okay, where the reduction will be taking place means 1,4 position. It means here you know that this is the benzene ring. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, generally I am telling plus H2 is added. Okay, plus H2 is added. One H is added to first carbon atom and another H is added to fourth carbon atom. Okay, so that's why this electron is moving towards C1 carbon atom and this electron is moving towards fourth carbon atom. So this electron and this electron is remained. Okay, this and this electron, it means in between 2 and 3. Okay, and this will form the bond. Okay, do you get it? Here where the aromatic rings undergo 1,4 reduction, it means in the place of 1 and 4 the reduction will be taking place to provide unconjugated cyclohexadiene. Cyclohexadiene is formed and then it further not reacted. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಬಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಾಂಡಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನು hydrogen ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ this will remains form. So The reduction is conducted by sodium and lithium metal, sodium or lithium metal in liquid ammonia. Here sodium or lithium metal, this is the catalyst, and in the presence of alcohol. Okay, so the reaction is, this is benzene, you know that 1 2 3 4 5 6 sodium in the presence of ammonia, whatever it may be, sodium or metal or lithium or OH, it is alcohol. It gives cyclohexadiene. Cyclohexadiene means 2 pi bond is present. Okay, so it gets a 2 pi bonds. Here this electron is bonded with this one and this electron is bonded with fourth carbon, and remaining is these two electrons. So it is cyclohexa 1,4 diene. Okay, the reaction will be taking place at 1 and 4. So it is called it as a 1,4 diene. This is no substitution of benzene ring. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ substituted ring ಇರಲ್ಲ. So do you get it? Here bit reduction is there and addition. It is an organic reaction. Here 1,4 in the place of 1,4 the reduction will be taking place, and then in the presence of sodium or lithium metal in liquid ammonia in the presence of alcohol. Okay, it gives a cyclohexadiene. Cyclohexadiene means 2 pi bond is presented. Here this is the unsubstituted, it means there is no substituent group is attached. But if the benzene is substituted, if the benzene is substituted, then the reduction is occurs. Okay, then the reduction is occurs at regioselectivity. Okay, here when the substituent group is attached at benzene, the reduction will be taking place at regioselectivity. It means depend upon the substituent group, either it is a electron releasing group or electron withdrawing group. Okay, here regioselectivity means it is the formation of one product over than another selectivity. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು, ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ 1 and 4, it takes place in the another positions. Okay, that should be called it as a regioselectivity. Here first one is if the substituent is electron releasing group. Okay, first one is electron releasing group. If the substituent, okay, if the substituent attached is an electron releasing group, is an electron releasing group. Okay, then the reduction takes place in such a way that the substituent the substituent remains on the unsaturated carbon. Okay, unsaturated carbon means double bond or triple bond is present, but here we are taking benzene ring, so it is double bond. If the carbon atom contains carbon contains double bond, that is sp2 hybridized. You know that carbon contains double bond, this is sp2 hybridization. If it is carbon triple bond, sp hybridization. Carbon single bond, sp3 hybridization. Okay, do you get it? Here you have to see this. If the substituent attached, okay, benzene ring ಗೆ attached ಆಗಿರುವಂತ substituent group, it is an electron releasing group, then the reduction will be taking place in such a way that not like in the 1 and 4 position. Okay, not like in the 1 and 4 position, because the electron releasing group should be in the unsaturated carbon atom. Okay, the electron releasing group should be in the unsaturated carbon atom. Here you have to see this. This is the benzene ring. Okay, this is OCH3. OCH3 is the electron releasing group, but it might be taken in the first and fourth position. The bond will be removed. Okay, the bond will be removed in the first and the fourth position, so it gets a carbon single bond. Carbon single bond barutte. So this carbon has a sp3 hybridization, so this reaction will not takes place. Do you get it? The reaction should be taking place when the electron releasing group is attached in the benzene ring. This electron releasing group have a unsaturated carbon. Okay, it means the attached with the unsaturated carbon. If in case the first and fourth position, the reaction will be taking place. In that place, this carbon atom, first carbon atom gets a sp3 hybridization, so that's why the reaction will be taking place in the third and fourth. Okay, here this is the sodium metal in the presence of ammonia, ROH. It gives here, this will be like this, and this will be also like this, OCH3. Okay, this is sp2 carbon, because this carbon has a double bond, so that's why this is sp2 carbon. This will call it as a regioselectivity. It means we are expecting one product, but it gets another product. Here in this we have to get it from first and fourth, but here we are getting in the, if you are giving a numbering from this side, 1 2 3 4 5 6, because the double bond is near this side, so that's why it gets a double numbering from this side, 3 and 6. Okay, this is all about the substituent attached is an electron releasing group. Next we will learn about the electron withdrawing group. This is all about the mainly hydrogenation of aromatic compounds. It means addition of hydrogen molecule NH2. N might be a 1 2 3 whatever it may be. Catalytic hydrogenation means reaction of benzene in the presence of molecular hydrogen and in the presence of catalyst. It gives a cyclohexane, but in the methyl benzene it gives a methyl cyclohexane. Next is bit reduction is there. It is an organic reaction that wherever the aromatic ring undergoes 1,4 reduction, it means addition of hydrogen to the 1,4 position to provide unconjugated diene. Diene means 2 pi bond is present. The reduction is conducted by sodium or lithium in the presence of liquid ammonia and in the presence of alcohol. This is the reaction. If the benzene is substituted, then the reduction is occur at regioselectivity. It means when we expected one product but it gets another product. Here one substitution is there. If the substituent attached is an electron releasing group, then the reduction takes place in such a way that the substituent remains on the unsaturated carbon. Okay, this is the reaction.